What's up, guys? Said Muzamil here, and this is Vivo APEX. Vivo has announced their first portless and buttonless smartphone in China. This is Vivo's second phone offering full display with no notch. There is no physical buttons, no USB port, no speaker grill. So how does it work? Actually, Vivo is using the new technology in this phone. Starting from the design, it is having full screen 6-inch full HD plus display, but the amazing thing is that half of the screen is having in-display fingerprint sensor, and even there is no front-facing camera. Since there are no physical buttons, how are you going to unlock the phone? Here, Vivo is using pressure sensitive technology. On the right side of the phone, there is a hidden sensor which you can use as power button as well as for the volume rockers. Even there is no USB port for charging and transferring data. However, the back of Vivo Apex has a magnetic interface which can be used for data transfer and charging. It comes with dual rear cameras and LED flash, and there are no bumps. It comes with the latest Snapdragon 855, which just supports 5G, and there it comes with 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. While well, the phone looks clean and maybe it is slippery, and even it comes with liquid cooling. So, guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will talk to you in the next one. Peace. Thanks.